Whoa, watch this.
Whoa!
Okay, we got a pickaxe, we got just a normal pick, and then, yep, you can't forget the snippers. Ooh, watch this trick.
Whoa!
Look at all these cool tools on the fire truck. There's tools inside secret compartments that are inside secret compartments. Wait, hey, come back here. I forgot to show you something. Look at inside this little compartment. Whoa, it's a giant air tank. The firefighters use this to breathe air because you can't breathe in fire and smoke. But in order to use this, you need to wear a harness. Let's go try on a harness now. We just got a fire call. Let's go put on our air pack. All right, this is our air pack. This is compressed air in this big bottle. And then this down here, this is my mask. So let me put it on. Tighten that up, and then you just buckle this in, kind of like a seat belt. Okay, and now you gotta turn on the air. Okay, and then let's put on the mask.
Okay, now I'm breathing air from the air condenser pack back there. Now it's time to go fight some fires. See ya!